Hi everybody, this is Kyle, and I'm going to be giving you a brief overview of the collaboration tool Padlet. If you've never used Padlet before, it's kind of almost like a bulletin board program, which I've been using in my classroom recently. So to start off, you're going to log in. Padlet allows you to have a free account. I think you can create up to 3 Padlets. So for this activity, you can get that free account. You're going to log in with your Google, sign in. You can pick whatever email address you want to be using, and it'll bring you to a Padlet. I'm going to share with you the link to the Padlet I want you to be using. It's going to be called Synchronous Opportunities in Online Learning Communities. When you open up the Padlet, it's going to look like this. Padlet gives you some different options for kind of the styles, but I wanted to use the kind of brainstorming web for this one. So essentially, Padlet works like this. You add a post by clicking the plus button. You type a title. So let's say a title for a tool would be Google Meet. And then you can add one of quite a few things. You can upload a document, a picture, anything like that. You can link to a website, which is probably what I'll end up doing for Google Meet. You can actually search Google for Google Images. It allows you to have an image search. And you can take a picture with your own camera. Those are the basic ones. There are actually a lot more options. You can record your screen. You can just capture your voice, which is an audio clip. You can capture film from your camera. You can doodle. You can link to other Padlets, link to any maps, anything like that. So for this activity, we're going to ask that you kind of comb the web for any tools or resources that you think might be interesting to use for a synchronous learning opportunity. Once we have a big board of Padlets going, I'd like you to start either just commenting. You can always, if I'm going to post this, I'll post google.meets.com. I actually think it might be meets.google.com, but I'll save that. It might not connect. But once you get this going, what I want to start seeing is people, connecting these. So to connect, just click these 3 buttons. You say connect to a post. You can connect to any of these posts. So I'm going to connect to this one because it's a tool. And so now we're starting this web as we're going along. If you want to add comments or thoughts about what you thought about that tool, you can always just create another box and comment and then connect it to that one. So during this activity, we're just asking that you look for any synchronous tools that you've used, you've seen others use, or just that you find. And please leave a comment, saying and describing what using the tool was like. You can also look for resources, articles, blogs, websites that have to do with synchronous opportunities. I know, live Twitter chats. There's kind of best practices for how to really get those going. So we hope that you enjoy using Padlet. We hope that